is Marie-France. Welcome to my home. Today it's very simple. I'm just going to share what we're having for our breakfast shake. It's very yummy and very healthy. We're having that all the time, every day. This is our breakfast. It varies a little bit sometimes, but mostly the basic ingredients are the same. But today what I'm using is avocado because it makes my shake really creamy. Avocado and dragon fruit, the beautiful purple dragon fruit. So what I did, I prepared that already, saves you all the noise of the machine here. I put that in my magic bullet, the dragon with the avocado, a little bit of water, mix it up, and now I've got this in my two shaker for our breakfast shake this morning. Beautiful purple color, and it's healthy already and delicious. So alright, what goes in next is the chia seeds, and I use flax seeds and chia seeds and organic one, and now I've mixed them together already and I put them in a container and I soak them with water, so this is ready for maybe the whole week, and I only have to take a spoon, and all the good oils and everything are all in there, and they're a little bit soft, so it's really yummy in your shake. So I put maybe 2 big spoonfuls of the chia seed and flax seed in my shake, so this goes in here. Bravo. Okay, that's done. What goes next is some yogurt, Greek yogurt. So same thing, about 2 tablespoons of yogurt I put in my shake every day. Voila, really nice. So some yogurt we'll have. Next, let's get this dragon away here. So now we're nearly done already. Another thing I like to have is coconut oil. So healthy for you, so good for you. So I put 1 big tablespoon of coconut oil. Voila, very nice. And nearly done. We put some almond milk now. A little bit. Quantity is just like this, a bit of this, a bit of that. That's what I do. Okay, so now we're nearly finished, and we add the beautiful pea protein powder. So this is a chocolate pea protein that I'm using, and it's very delicious and creamy. So what I'll do is put 2 scoops of the pea protein. 1 for Peter, 1 for Marie-France. Let's do this. Voila. And to finish, I will put some green powder also, and that makes it very healthy and rich and yummy. Some green powder. I think that's all. We just have to shake it now and drink it. So it's really delicious. That's what we're enjoying every morning for our breakfast. And as you can see, this is so healthy. Beautiful purple color. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. I'll put it in the glass just to show you. We normally just drink it out of a bottle. Take that to your desk and start doing what you do. So, but I'll show you the beautiful color. Let me just shake a little bit more. Voila. Okay. Oh, look at this. So thick and rich and delicious. Wow. There you go. This is for breakfast every day. Now, if you want to see a little bit more of my cooking, I will be cooking some real meals for you. So if you'd like to see that, just post in the comment a yes, and I will start thinking of some recipe that I can share with you just like this, and so for you to be able to go and try them too. Have a great day.